morning everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about the working of Python, that how we are going to work on a Python screen. There are different kind of distribution, or you can say multiple Python distributions are available on internet, and the default one is C Python installation, which you will get in www.python.org, which comes along with the Python interpreter and IDLE mode both. The IDLE means integrated development environment. This is the full form of IDLE, which is the in the form of Python GUI. So we will be learning this mode only. However, there are many other distributions available these days like Anaconda Python, and many IDLE modes are also there like Spider IDE and PyCharm IDE. Out of which this Spider IDE is also available as a part of Anaconda Python distribution. So these are different screen, you can say different distribution, different parts of the Python screens on which we can work, but we will be working on a default Python C Python installation mode, in which we will get two modes of Python. The one is interactive mode and second one is script mode. So let us begin with the video and see that how we can work on interactive and script mode both. So let us start, students. So this is our screen where I will show you that how you can open the Python in both the modes, the interactive and script mode. So let us begin. You have to go to the start menu, all programs, and go to the Python where you have installed the Python. You will get the option of Python IDLE. Okay, it is not showing here because I have moved it to the desktop, so I am opening it from the desktop only. IDLE Python GUI. This you will find it under the Python where you have installed the software. So you have to double click on it and it will open the screen. So now see the Python, the screen which is in front of you, it is known as Python shell, in which we will be doing the coding. This is the interactive mode of the Python. Basically this mode of Python, we can say that this mode of Python is used for testing the codes, because when you write the code, any code on this you can say prompt, this is called as prompt where we are going to write the code. So whenever you write any kind of code here and press enter, it is going to give you the output then and there only. For example, if I have written 5 plus 3, it is going to give me the answer as 8. If you want to do a calculation, 7 plus 8 minus 9 and into 5, then it is going to give me the answer. So this is how it works. Suppose I write here print RAM, so it is going to print the RAM. Print is a statement which is used here to print the string or the text which is written, and the text which we will write, it will always be enclosed in double quotes within the Python programming. Okay, so this is how we will work in interactive mode, but we are not going to work more in interactive mode. We will be working in script mode, because there we have the option of writing the whole program at once, and then we can save and execute it. And moreover, in script mode we can save our Python programs, and further we can change the program, do the modification and see it and execute it. However, here if you close the screen, it will be closed and you will not be able to see the text which you have written over there. So let us begin with the script mode now. I am opening the Python shell again. And how to get into the script mode? You have to click here file menu, new window. So now you can see here a new window has opened, which is completely blank. There is no prompt. Now I am going to write a simple program here which you have to practice at home and tell me that if you are able to do it or not. So this is the script mode where we will write the program and we will execute it by saving it. Okay, so let me write a simple program which I have done yesterday in the tutorial. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, A comma B is equal to B comma A. Now print is a statement in Python 2.7. However, if you have installed Python the above version, apart from 2.7, if you are using 3.7 or any version of Python 3, then print will be used as a function. So that I will discuss later on. And try to install Python 2.7 only, because in school also it is the Python 2.7 is installed in our computers. So I have written here print a comma b. Now let us see that it swaps the number or not. Okay, now we have to save the program and run it. You can save it from here. Click on file menu and save the program, or directly go to the run menu. If you have not saved the program and you directly went to the run menu or press F5, then it will ask you to save the program. Source must be saved. Okay, so I am saving it. The default extension of Python is .py. You don't have to give .py as we used to give in HTML, but here you can only give the name of the file. It will automatically take the extension as .py. Save. So it is saying me that you can want to replace the file or not. Yes, because I have already made the file with the name swap. So let me give some other name. So I have written here swapping. Saved. Now you can see that the value of A has come 6 and B has come 5. So the value is successfully interchanged. Now let me do some kind of innovation in it. Suppose I want to show the answer like A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 5. So what I am going to do, I will write here the any text which you want to you can say that if you want to print it as it is, you have to write within the double quote. So I have written A is equal to in double quote, and then if you want, I want that after this double quote, the answer which comes in A should be printed. So I have to write here A, but this is going to give me the error. Why? Because here it is given double quote and this A variable doesn't mean anything. You have to concatenate, you have to merge the value of this variable. So for that I will use comma. Okay, now let me come to the another line, and I am writing here print B is equal to. So B is equal to will be printed as it is, and then I am writing here comma. Comma will concatenate this B is equal to with the value of the B. Okay, when we were not writing this, we were writing print A and B, but here I want to you can say make my answer look more understandable. So I have written A is equal to, and then I have used comma to concatenate both the text. Now we will save it once again, press OK, and see the value is interchanged. Okay, now suppose if you want that the answer should be printed here like this, that the interchanged value is A is equal to 6, B is equal to 5. So you can simply write the statement here, print interchanged values, or you can write the values after swapping. Values and after swapping. This looks more correct. Okay, so let us save it and see the answer comes or not. You can see here that the answer is showing. So print is a statement. Whenever you use the print statement, every time it changes the line here in Python, and you can see that we can write the whole program at once and then we can execute. So script mode is more easy, and that is why we will be doing the programs in script mode only. I hope you have understood this. If you have any problem, you can write in the comment section or you can text me. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much.